NRCS promotes energy conservation and efficiency in a number of important ways. The Environmental Quality Incentives Program, or EQIP, provides farmers and ranchers with financial and technical assistance to implement energy-saving practices related to growing crops, raising livestock, irrigation, and high tunnels. NRCS encourages the use of agricultural practices that increase farm efficiency, such as no-till, strip-till, and cover crops. Using these practices can result in fewer trips over the fields, which means less fuel use, time, wear and tear on equipment, as well as increased soil health over the long term. This in turn may reduce the need for irrigation, fertilizer, pesticides, and result in energy conservation. Producers and ranchers can reduce energy costs by rotationally grazing livestock using solar-powered water pumps and permanent fencing. Rotational grazing in harvested fields may lower the cost of fertilizer and reduce erosion. Cattle spreading their own manure in fields can mean fewer trips and less fuel are needed to spread manure over the fields. Jeff Grove, rancher in Northwestern Minnesota, rotationally grazes 100 cow-calf pairs on 400 acres of rented land. He uses a solar-powered water pump to provide cattle with clean water. The water is pumped from a 100-foot deep well at 7 gallons per minute and stored in an 1,100-gallon storage tank above an 1,100-gallon tire tank. This saves the cost of running electricity out to his paddocks and gives the cattle a reliable supply of water. Jeff also grazes cattle on his pastureland 2 miles away. To provide water to the cattle, here he uses a solar-powered water pump to pump water through an underground pipe to tire tanks up to 1,300 feet away. Since 2013, farmer rancher and NRCS civil engineer Jeremy Larson has been using a solar-powered water pump to provide water to his rotationally grazed cattle in southwestern Minnesota. Jeremy uses a 3 by 4 foot solar panel to generate electricity in order to pump water from a pond to a 1,500-gallon storage tank. From there, the water is gravity-fed to 3 700-gallon drinking water tanks placed next to several paddocks where he rotationally grazes his herd of 50 limousine crossed cow-calf pairs and 2 bulls. Farmer rancher Francis Dierickx also uses a solar-powered water pump on his farm to provide his 54 head of Scottish Highlander cattle with water in his rotationally grazed, wildlife-friendly paddocks in central Minnesota. Using high tunnels in Minnesota extends the growing season to allow fruits and vegetables to be grown efficiently while conserving energy, space, and promoting locally grown food, thereby reducing the need to transport food over large distances. One such operation are the high tunnels built by Dan Shield over the past few years to grow peaches and apricots in central Minnesota. Another example is the high tunnel built by Urban Roots in 2018 to grow vegetables in St. Paul, Minnesota. Precision irrigation and drip irrigation are also encouraged where appropriate in Minnesota to reduce energy costs and unnecessary water use. Another example of conserving energy is when producers graze their sheep in nearby CRP land, avoiding the need to transport their herds long distances to find suitable pasture, resulting in significant fuel and time savings. NRCS has also developed 4 energy estimator tools designed to increase energy awareness in agriculture and to help farmers and ranchers identify where they can reduce energy costs. These 4 conservation energy estimators include animal housing, irrigation, nitrogen, and tillage. The link to these tools can be found below in the video description. Please contact your local NRCS office for additional assistance if needed. A more complete evaluation can be made through an energy audit with a technical service provider, TSP. For additional details on NRCS energy conservation-related practices, please contact your local NRCS office.